checklist. Luna looks ready to rock. Let's take a look at Luna. I'm telling you right now, Luna, anything under $40, in my opinion, steal. I love Luna. I also read a whole article how it could be kind of one of like the greatest assets to hold, as if there would be so many different ways to earn with Luna, maybe more than any coin in the game. So I feel like having a bag of Luna is a must prerequisite. 1 hour low, 4 hours low, 4 hours low with the 1 hour, 15 minutes just got to come down. Everything, same thing. Everything's kind of following that BTC. Large caps will follow that BTC idea. What we would like to see is, I guess, this 15-minute kind of do something like that where it comes up, then comes down when it resets, and that will be the retest. You know? We got to call out for Luna since it started here. I looked at Luna around 35. I like where it's at. Luna looks beautiful. Again, none of this is financial advice. I'm just drawing charts, talking about, using this cool risk-reward ratio tool that shows you exactly kind of how the percentages go. It gives you the division of this percentage by that percentage. Beautiful tool. And that's just nice and neat. It can show you exactly how a hypothetical trade would occur, right? That's what I really like, this risk-to-reward ratio. That's what I really like about the tool, right? So I show you how to use this tool, how to kind of place it, where to place it, so you know how to use TradingView, right? So these are just TradingView tutorials on a daily basis, just using these coins to show you them. And none of this is financial advice. It's all educational and entertainment purposes only. Okay, moving forward. So bullish on Luna. What's your take on LRC? Remember, people, we are strictly here to learn how to draw triangles. That's it. You think Gala is about to go up soon? I don't know. What do you think? I don't know anything. I always say that too. I don't know anything. So check this out. Gala looking really nice on the 1 hour. It is extremely oversold on the 1 hour. 15-minute has a little bit of momentum too. Interesting. Came very close to the 618 like I was saying, remember? So yeah, that's why I drew my Fibonacci levels, seeing where we're going to land. I still think we could come down a little more. Maybe up and down one more time. We'll see. Only time will tell, but Gala looking pretty cool. I like what I'm seeing here on the Fibonacci levels with this falling wedge. Yeah, Gala looking pretty cool. Again, none of this is financial advice. I'm just going over Gala, looking at how you would put it in this falling wedge, talking about how, you would pull a Fibonacci from the base here to the top here. That gives you your proper retracement levels. Prices love to come back down to the 618 Fibonacci level. Can't explain why. It's just the fact of life. So come up, come down one more time and bounce and get into the golden pocket. Or even just bounce here with the 200-day moving average getting right below the 0.5 Fibonacci. That happens too. Anything is possible. Could we also see a retest of the previous high? Even just on a wick. Anything is possible. I like to keep an open mind at all times. Bitcoin looks beautiful. It was very easy to go over Bitcoin this morning. We didn't have to sit there for 2 hours and draw 100 lines. The daily looks good, the 4 hour looks good, and the 1 hour looks good. Highly likely we see a big push for Bitcoin in the next couple of days. That's what the stochastics tell. We don't know, and I don't know. That's what the chart says. That's what the chart conveys. Lifer, I used Bitmart for some reason. They blocked my account, got my funds sitting there, and they're not getting back to me. What do I do? I don't know. I've never done that. And I've never used that place, and I've never talked about it in my life. I'm not an advisor of yours, and it's really none of my business. I feel bad for you, but you got to be careful. You get the best rhymes from an open mind all the time. Chris Pearson, fly and shine with design. Get his spine completely aligned. Moving as he hits it and gets well aligned. The number 9 makes me shine. I'm fine in time. I get ripe like wine. So check it out. Let's keep it moving through the alleys. What was I seeing? Profi BTC continuing to beat up on Bitcoin. It wants the 63%. Look at that. It just continues to go up. Congrats to anyone that looked at this. Profi BTC booming to the upside. Beautiful trade. Maybe you're not alone. Check Reddit, bully. Short to 46. The new Gala tank game is hot. What's your take on LRC? How do you think Arma looking? Not within an hour, though, probably a few days. Sol was attacked by bots in a major DOS attack. Look it up. Yeah, but it was attacked by a major DOS attack.